Are you trying to send in large files on your Messenger app? If you are, then you've come to the right video because I'm going to show you the exact way that you can send it. Now, if you have tried to send in these files on your Messenger app, you would see that there is no option. You could send in video or photo messages, but you cannot send in files such as PDF files. You can send in files using the website of Facebook, but you cannot do it within the Messenger app. So in this case, we can try out a different method. So what we're going to do is first upload the file to Google Drive. First of all, head over to the file that you want to send. Once you open up your file, you just need to tap on the file and send the file to Google Drive. So tap on send and select the Google Drive option. Select the email address of the Google Drive as well, and you can rename the file as you want and tap on save on the top right. Now once the file has been uploaded to Google Drive, now you can open up your Google Drive app and head over to the file that you just shared, which is this file right here. Now from here you just need to tap on the three dots and you'll have an option of manage access. So just tap on the manage access option and tap on change, because by default this would be restricted. Tap on anyone with a link. Now you can head back again, tap on the three dots and tap on copy link. Now once this link has been copied, you can open up your Messenger app and then paste in the file that you just copied. Now through this method, you'd be able to send any kinds of files and the other person will be able to open it once they tap on the link. And even they can download the file if they want. So that was a real quick video on how to send in files on Facebook Messenger using Android. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.